Buttermilk is versatile. It can help tenderize the chicken if you use it as a brine. It is not an ingredient we usually have on hand. There is no need to panic and rush to your nearest grocery store when you can make it yourself with just 2 simple ingredients, which 99% of you should have in your kitchen pantry. What you need is milk and white distilled vinegar. Not balsamic or white wine, just white distilled vinegar. Add 2 cups or more in a mixing bowl, depending on how much you want to make. Now add 2 spoons of vinegar in the milk. The vinegar should be proportional to the milk. If you use 1 cup of milk, use 1 spoon. Leave it to set for about 10 minutes. After that, you should have your buttermilk. Store it in the fridge for further uses. Great.